So this is my new space that I'm living in now that I'm in Paris. I'm on the top floor. There's nothing else here besides my room. That's just a little storage area. And right once you get to the top of the stairs, it's my door. It's just a sliding door. And then this is my bed, obviously. Above my bed, I have sorry, I had to close my door. I have a bunch of pictures that I took while traveling with this instant camera that my host family got me. So when I spent, my 3 weeks going around the south of France and then going to Munich, those are all pictures from that. That is a hot water bottle that's so soft and so cute that I got from Hema. My bed is a really nice size and it's honestly really comfortable, and I have a ton of pillows, which I love because I'm a big pillow person. I've noticed, I don't know if it's a European thing or what, but I've noticed a lot of people will only have like 2 pillows on their bed, even for 2 people, like 1 pillow per person, and I am definitely someone who likes a lot of pillows. Over here is just the desk area and the storage area. As you can see, this room has a ton of storage. It has more storage than I could even need. My room came with a bunch of books, which I love because whenever I want to practice my French, I just like pull off a book and look through it. And then also a lot of them are like cookbooks. And so, I don't know, I love cooking, and so I love cookbooks. Y'all might know, but that's the gift that my first host family got me as an arrival gift. And so I just keep that there. I keep my bags here. Underneath this is where I can store all of my luggage. I have like my backpack and my 2 big suitcases back there. And that's just a little heater for when it's going to get cold during the winter time. Here we have my little pegboard, and this is where I keep my bags on that little radiator. And here we just have more pictures from when I traveled, postcards from when I went to Strasbourg, and also little postcards from Albi, the city that I au paired in before I moved up here. And then my room came with all of these little drawers, which I love, and I just keep my coins here. There's not many because I'm about to try to buy my week's Navigo pass using all coins, which will be like 22 euros in coins. Moving over here, I have another desk. This was actually in the hallway, but no one was using it, and so I brought it into my room. I kind of rearranged my room. That chair used to be over here. I moved it over there, and I just set this up in case I want to like teach English online or tutor online. I can have a plain solid background that's not like my bed. But yeah, this is where I just keep my laptop. This is where I practice my French. This is a super cute planner that I got from one of my favorite stores here. And this actually was a box of cookies that my current host mom gave me as an arrival gift. And I keep my pins in there. And again, a ton of storage. So I have like 2 full like hanging closets and as many drawers and cabinets as I could possibly want. And then I have my little fan, which keeps me cool during the summertime, which I really appreciate because a lot of French people, don't use air conditioning, but also don't use fans and don't have fans. So I've stayed in plenty of places where there's no AC, there's no fans, and it's just hot as heck. I also really like all of my windows. These look into our backyard. And of course they have the amazing little blackout blinds that are electronic. And then that window too also has a blackout blind that I just pull down so it can be totally blacked out. Over here we have a little bookshelf that was full of books when I came. The ones in the corner are my books, but I love having books in my space. And so this really just makes me feel really at home, and I love the visual of this like blue accent wall and my postcards and my pictures and the books and the door, and like it just all looks so nice when I'm laying in bed. I don't know, I think it's really important, or at least a really good luxury, to like actually like the way that your space looks while you're relaxing in it. And so I really love this. And again, like there's lots of books in English actually on this bookshelf, but there's more books in French, and so if I ever want to just look through a French book, I can grab one off the shelf. I've gotten French books myself, like this Meg Cabot book, Little House on the Prairie in French. So these three were just 50 cents at the used bookstore. So used bookstores are great in Paris. And then this was the other gift from my host family of 52 weekends in Paris and just different things to do. Over here is probably my favorite part of this room. My favorite aspect is that I have my own shower and own sink area. Obviously I share the toilet with the family, but everyone else besides me shares one shower bath area. And so I'm the only one in the family that gets my own, and it's a huge luxury, especially when like this weekend we had 8 people staying in the house, including me. So 7 people were sharing one shower, but I had my own space to kind of retreat to, and that just is really nice. Here's this tiny little chair. It's for kids, but I put it there because I can paint my like toenails here. And also, this is actually my favorite chair to just sit in if I'm just chilling, like talking on the phone or anything, because it's really easy to just pop a squat there. And then this is my shower. It's super spacious. There's lots of storage space, which I love, like not having to bend over, you know, to get stuff off of the floor when you're taking a shower. And then again, like a ton of storage space on the sink area and a ton of storage space right here. I don't even really use this because I haven't acquired that much stuff yet. And then, yeah, that's pretty much my space, and I really love it. It is so huge. I mean, this is definitely the biggest bedroom that I've ever stayed in, and I like that it's on the top floor. The kids aren't allowed upstairs. Like, they're not even really allowed upstairs at all because they know that it's my space, and they just come to call me down for dinner. That's the only time that they come up the stairs, and it's really nice having a space that's yours and that's really respected. Like, that's essential, I think, when you're an au pair, to have a space that you feel comfortable in, that you can go and unwind in. But yeah, this is my room.